Hi, this is Maria with Brown Innovations, and we are at the InfoComm 2026 convention in Las Vegas in the forecast booth. And our booth number is 7115 in the North Hall. And we're introducing a technology that we have where we can eliminate headsets and you can have a shared conferencing in open environments. So right now we have a speaker installed on the desk over here, forecast console, and I'm going to walk in and out of a zone where there is somebody already talking, and you can hear how isolated the audio is. So here I go, I'm going to walk in now.
Brown Innovations 3U directional two-way communication system incorporates
And now I've stepped out of the zone, as you can hear. There is no audio that's disrupting our conversation, and we can't hear what's going on over there, and the conversation is still going on. So this is good for consoles, shared workspaces, open environments, or anywhere where you want to contain audio and you don't want to wear headsets. If you have any questions, you can reach out at browninnovations.com. Thank you.